Hello, hello, hello. Hope all is well. This is Ken from the Rug Detective Show coming to you with another episode this weekend. Let's get straight to it. So basically today, I'm going to talk about Berry. So Berry is a decentralized Oracle network on BSC, Binance Smart Chain. We've seen some massive growth in terms of a lot of investors, traders moving over to BSC. Why? Because of low transaction fees. Huge amount of different projects really being built on stacks such as Pancake Swap and stuff like that. So there's a massive opportunities in terms of where we're seeing this whole growth. And in terms of Berry is actually a project I actually spoke about way before the IFO took place, and essentially I didn't actually do a review, but I actually did talk about this and communicated this to my Patreon members, So first and foremost, if you haven't downloaded my Rug Detectives checklist, it's a free DeFi checklist which gives you a breakdown of before you enter a trade. You have to take a look at the on-page analysis in terms of website, Telegram, product, pre-sale, company lockup. You can go through it. Just go in the description of this YouTube video and click on the link. It's free. You can be able to download it and go through. The aim is to help you to make better decisions prior to entering a trade. And when you're in a trade, how do you manage the risk management aspect? So as risk management, you can write down extra material. So I do this for projects I'm looking to get involved in, to invest in. But I also do this generally to give you information what we're looking at. But what I also have is I have a VIP Patreon members list, and I give a breakdown, and we talk about, similar projects, but projects I might be looking at short term or long term. It just depends. But I'm really giving the let's say the cherry on the top to the VIP members. And this was a project I actually spoke about, very, very interested in, spoke about before the IFO took place. That was on February the 16th. And essentially, decentralized Oracle about Berry. Basically, it's a transparent, community verified price Oracle on BSC. Berry data provides a trustless, decentralized alternative for off-chain data. So it's really having this type of scenario comparisons to Chainlink in terms of what they're trying to achieve, but obviously being built on the stack of BSC. So since the IFO took place, it was literally, the listing was at about 50 cents. I got in at that price, and it's been a phenomenal rise to the upside. So we're now literally trading at $30. So we're looking at a 60x. I've made a 60x return on this specific project. What I have done is I've basically moved and taken some profits off the table as the price has moved in my favor. But net, it's been an absolute phenomenal project. And I do not see this abating. I can see this potentially going up to 50 to 60 to 100, all dependent on where they're moving regarding partnerships. Just to give you a bit of proof in terms of what I'm talking about, I'm just going to go to my Patreon group here, Rug Detectives Patreon group. We give a full breakdown of different projects and updates and stuff like that. You can clearly see here, February the 15th, Berry data IFO updates. I gave an update, and we have a spreadsheet which is different to the free spreadsheets. I have a VIP patron spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet gave the information. I did a quick screenshot that you can be able to see that I took from the spreadsheet. Don't want to show it to everyone because obviously this is the VIP. And I said, this is Berry data, and I said 16th, the 2nd, I said I will be buying on IFO today. That was early in the morning, Central European time, before the IFO took place, a few hours later. And it's just been an absolute phenomenal rise. And we talk about this again in the Patreon group. And where I see this in terms of Berry, they're having a lot of partnerships taking place. They partnered with Helmet Insure. So Helmet Insure provide like this aspect of insurance. And they're really trying to scale their business. What was also interesting is that they're hiring people within their management. So they show there's massive growth taking place. Look at the market cap, not bad at all. $88 million market cap. I see phenomenal growth long term. You've got the supply here. And then circulating supply. So I think long term it's rosy. And the reason why I was really interested in this specific project is what I'm doing a lot of the time now is that before I get involved in any project, I'm having a conversation with the dev, the founder of the project. And I had a conversation with someone high up within the company, and I was really eased and I had some confidence to say, okay, that ticked the box. And I was basically just going through this specific checklist and saying, okay, this is good. They have this product, they have this, it's lockup period, the IFO, they have a buzz, right? Auditing the contract, take a look at the contract to see if it stacks up. GitHub, where's the code? Is it in the repository? And then when I'm in the trade, I'm going through the risk management. What's my entry price? 50 cents. Amount invested. What's my target price? Do I look to scale off positions? Again, we're going to be doing a course in the Patreon group as well if you're interested. Then I provide advantages and disadvantages and my results. So in essence, congratulations to those that actually got involved at the same time due to the recommendation. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm publicly just explaining to you what I'm looking at in terms of projects, and also, as we do within Rug Detectives, we're searching out for rug pulls, for scams, really just trying to help the community to be able to trade safely. So if you haven't, please like, subscribe and follow. The links in the description, and I'll come back to you with another one. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.